Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Mary, and I'm going to show you how I cook my dinner tonight. This is my dirty rice. First, I'm going to start with turkey sausage, and I put a half a cup of the seasonal fixed sweet onion mix, and I cooked that until the juices ran out of it. I also have some brown rice boiling on the stove separately. You can't cook this together because if you try to cook it together, the rice doesn't get, it doesn't cook for some reason all the way. So always cook your brown rice separate. Then I added a little bit of adobo, and I added some black pepper for taste. One thing I didn't show, I added a little bit of sage too, because I wanted a little bit more sage in it. And then I added my small red beans. It's a really easy meal. And then I mix it in with my rice. I did add a little bit of butter too for flavoring, guys. Oh, and some roasted red bell pepper. And I had a side of Brussels sprouts. And that was my meal tonight. I measured it out, I weighed it out, and I'm full. I'll talk to y'all later. Love you. Y'all have a wonderful day. Please make sure that you like. Please make sure that you share me out. Please make sure that you subscribe if you haven't already. And push that notification bell so we can get together again. God bless you all.
Stay with you. I wanna stay with you.
This is funny. Whoever makes these, I mean, gosh.